Alright, okay. Tatry natin ha. Para sa Misteryo Musika. Babanam ke walam, 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 babanam kewalam, babanam, babanam kewalam, babanam, babanam, babanam kewalam, babanam, babanam kewalam, babanam, babanam, babanam kewalam, babanam, babanam kewalam, babanam, babanam, babanam kewalam, babanam, babanam kewalam, babanam, babanam kewalam, 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 babanam, 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 babanam kewalam. Ayos, di ba? Nasa pool din natin ang babanam kewalam. Ngayon, anong meaning ng babanam kewalam? I-search ulit natin sa ating mga kamisteryo. Ang babanam kewalam ay, sandali lang ha, i-search ulit natin. Ang babanam kewalam ang pronunciation, pero ang kanyang spelling ay kevalam. So, what is the meaning of babanam kevalam? Ang babanam kevalam ay isang Sanskrit mantra na nangangahulugan daw po only the name of the beloved. Ayun, yung pala meaning nun, no? Only the name of the beloved. And the words break down as Baba, it is beloved, the divine. Nam is the name, Nam is name, and Kevalam or Kevalam is only. So ang pinaka pangkalatang meaning ay only the name of the beloved. Ayun. This mantra expresses the idea that love is the essence of everything and is present everywhere. Wow! Promoting a feeling of oneness with the divine. Ayan, ang galing-galing. So, we can sing Babanam Kewalam based na rin sa kung gusto ninyo. Maganda yung maganda yung rendition ng, actually Pinoy band yun eh. I think it's Kadangyan band and Halamanan band. Yun yung kanilang version. Alright, so yan ang ating part ng aking contribution sa ating Misteryo Musika. See you again!